Greetings my friends and welcome back to another video, and you won't believe what I got for you today. I got a brand new strategy that I just tested yesterday and the results are something else. I didn't really expect it to be this easy, but it is, and I want you to try it out. I want you to see if it works for yourself. Go on demo account, trade with it, see if it's something that resonates with you. Again, this is not necessarily something that might suit you because I keep mentioning the importance of finding the right system for you. But for me, this worked like a charm. It's very simple and I want to share it with you so you know what to do. And I'm going to show you the settings as well. But again, if you want help with finding the system that is suitable for you, then make sure to check out the link in the description below. Make sure to click it or just send me a message on Telegram at @answerit_pro. You already know where to find me. You can find all the links again below, so check it out. And now let's delve into it. I'm really excited to show this to you and share this with you, and let's see if we can make some money. All right, so here what we got. We got two indicators, Aroon, and we have Stochastic Oscillator. Let's go over the settings immediately. I'm not one of those YouTube channels that drag it out for minutes and minutes before we get into it. We're getting straight into the settings and how to use the strategy. So, Aroon, we're gonna go with period 10, and for the styles, change the color of up to green, of down to red. This is gonna make it reading much easier because buy button is green and the red one is sell. Very easy. All right, change it, set the settings to 2 pixels on widths, and that's pretty much it for the Aroon indicator. And now we get back to Stochastic Oscillator, which normally I leave 2 lines up, but for this one specifically right here, I decided to actually switch it up a little bit. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna set the K period to 10 and keep everything else as it is, moving average, SMA. And for the styles, we're going to turn K period to 2 pixels and we're going to completely disable D period. And that is everything that you need. That's it. Now we go into the market, and what are we looking for? We are looking for the crosses on the Aroon indicator. This is going to be our first signal. When the green line crosses the red line from below to the upside, this is our first bullish signal that we should look into. The next one is stochastic, leaving the 20 zone and going all the way to 80 or entering 80. This is the only 2 things you're looking for on a stable chart. You don't want sideways chop for this market. You really want to have some form of trend or retracement, basically a clear direction on the chart, and that is it. And here we have our first entry. As you can see, looks pretty beautiful. So we're gonna place 2,000, and as it dips, I'm gonna place another 2,000 and put it already. We are at $4K right on this entry, and as the price dips, of course, I'm going to place another 2K just to make sure that I at least get some profit in case something doesn't go my way, which is a possibility in the market, and you need to remember that. And while we're doing this, guys, I want to talk about the importance of having the right tools for those for right tools and having the right system around you. A lot of people know me. A lot of people been there since day one. Some people are new, but again, on the internet right now, nowadays, you have to be really cautious because a lot of the people and traders that are trading and that are giving you these systems and providing you with tools are actually not traders themselves. They've never made any money off trading. They've never performed analysis, and you can see it easily in the video because the video on the screen goes on without them doing any actions, and this is really easy to spot. For me, you guys know, I trade live. I show you the process. I do these videos for 5 years now, so it's very transparent, and I've even shown my profit for the last 5 years on this account that we made, so you know what I'm bringing to the table. Of course, if you feel more comfortable with any other creator, you are free to go there, but for me, I feel like the content that I provide has a certain reach. I don't over edit my videos. Sure, it would be more appealing, right, if the image was more polished, but I feel like this is not the importance. The importance is to give you a system that can potentially make you money and to give you an understanding of things that are important when you're getting into trading. So first is, of course, money management. I keep talking about it every single video, and I'm never going to stop talking about it. A majority of people who are losing money in trading are losing because of money management. For me, again, this is 133%. $1,000 is 133% of my balance. So 3 trades like this is merely 5%, which you should not cross as well when you're trading by yourself. Never go above 5% of your balance when you're trading. Until you have a very solid foundation from trading. Once you start making 10, 15,000, you can sometimes go about it, even though I still recommend to kind of chill on that and keep it at 5%, even lower sometimes. And again, here is our easy entry. We did have a cross right here. We had stochastic going into the upper level here, which is exactly what we need. And we did take a loss on the first one, but we still have the chance to get the other two. And there you go. And already we made $6,000 by just performing 2 simple trades. And this one was actually on real market, guys, so this also works in real market. And if you pay attention, we actually would have gotten a trade here as well. So we already did 6,000. This is my quota for the day. I usually don't go over it, but I want to do just one more trade. All right, so let's actually lock in and do our final trade here. I'm going to place 1,000 and wait a little bit because I actually believe that the price will jump up here quite a bit. We did have the cross already quite a bit ago, and stochastic is currently in oversold position. So this is exactly the type of entry we're looking for. We could have entered a little bit earlier. I think here would be more perfect. So we're just going to take it slow here. As you can see, I only placed $1,000 because again, I'm already a little bit late to the entry here, but still this is a potential because it shows you a short-term trend, and these indicators will show you what the trend is going to look like for the next 2-3 minutes. So as long as you enter before that, you are good to actually snipe a little downwards move, which is exactly what is happening here. And this is actually going to give us another $920 and put us at almost $7,000 of profit for the day with a very simple strategy. And again, you only have to look for 2 things on these indicators and for a somewhat stable market with some trend in some direction. So there you have it, guys. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades. We got 9 wins, only 1 loss, and we're coming out on top with literally $7,500 of profit. So there you have it. Again, please guys, if you would like to trade with me, if you would like to learn how to trade, if you would like to have some assistance in trading through tools, through one-on-one trading sessions, through tutorials, we got everything in my trading group. It's all real. There's no whatever facade made up. This is all real, and I'm speaking from experience because I do consume trading content, not only my own, right? I don't only create, I also consume, and a lot of the times it is either AI generated that has no face, so the person is just copying something that an AI wrote, or it is a creator that is just reading the script off a screen and doesn't really know how to trade. And that is, of course, can hook a lot of people because the image is clean, it looks nice, everything is nice, but we are not here for that. We're not here for the image. We're here for the profit. We're here for the consistency. We're here to make it, and this is exactly what I want to see from people who are choosing to pick my content. I want you guys to realize that there are levels to these things, and of course everybody's welcome to join. If you don't want, we have a free signals group that you can join as well, completely free in Telegram. We do daily signals. You get 4 signals every single day for free, and in my opinion that is already more than enough to start profiting daily. So make sure to just hop in, take a few signals. If you like them, you can stay. If you don't, you can always leave. You don't have to pay. So this is literally free. The link is in the description below. I appreciate you guys for watching. Be sure to leave a like, leave a comment if you like the strategy, if you traded with it, if you made money with it. And of course, I appreciate you, and I will catch you in the next one.